If you've ever tried to visit your WordPress site and suddenly saw this message, briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance, check back in a minute, it can be pretty scary, especially if you rely on your site for your business. The good news is, in most cases, this is a very simple problem, and you can usually fix it in just a couple of minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to fix the briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance error in WordPress, and how to prevent it from happening again in the future. Let's get started. Hey guys, James here from GigaPress.net. First, let's quickly talk about what this error actually means. Whenever you update WordPress itself, or you update a theme or a plugin, WordPress automatically puts your site into something called maintenance mode. Behind the scenes, it creates a small temporary file in your site's main folder called .maintenance. While that file exists, anyone who visits your site will see this message, briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute. Normally, this only lasts a few seconds. WordPress runs the update finishes, WordPress deletes the .maintenance file, and your site goes back to normal. But if something interrupts the update, or your server is slow, that file can get stuck. When that happens, your site never leaves maintenance mode, and that message just doesn't go away. So how do we fix it? The fastest and most common solution is simply to delete the .maintenance file. I'll show you how to do this using an FTP client and your hosting control panel, so you can use whichever method you're more comfortable with. First, let's start with the FTP method. Open your FTP client, like FileZilla. If you're connecting your site to FileZilla for the first time, you can click the link in the description for a complete step-by-step guide. Once your site is connected, go to the root folder, usually public_HTML or your domain name, and locate the wp-content folder. Now, the .maintenance file we're looking for starts with a dot, so it might be hidden by default. In FileZilla, go up to the top menu, click on Server, then select Force Showing Hidden Files. After that, look again in your WordPress root folder, and you should see a file called .maintenance. When you find it, right-click on the .maintenance file, choose Delete, and confirm if it asks you. As soon as that file is gone, WordPress will no longer think it's in maintenance mode. Now go back to your browser and refresh your website. In most cases, that briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance message will disappear, and your site should start working normally again. If you don't want to use FTP, you can do the exact same thing from your hosting panel. Open whatever control panel your host uses, log in to your hosting account, and look for File Manager and open it. Go into your site's main folder, usually called public_HTML. Inside that folder, look for the .maintenance file. If you don't see it right away, look for a setting to make sure hidden files are visible. Once you can see the .maintenance file, click on it, right-click, and choose Delete. After you delete the file, go back to your website, refresh the page, and the error message should be gone. Now, if you're running a WooCommerce store and you're looking for a more creative way to generate engagement and sales, check out this video's sponsor, Raffles. Raffles is a plugin that allows you to sell seats for a webinar-style review. So, instead of running basic giveaways, Raffles lets you sell seats for a live product review. You set the price per seat, limit the number of available spots, and then customers can buy access to your product review. Then, after the review is done, use the built-in randomizer to select a winner to receive the product you reviewed. So, if you're looking for a unique way to boost engagement and better monetize your WooCommerce store, I definitely recommend checking it out. You can find the link in the description to learn more about Raffles. Now let's continue. For most people, that's all you need to do. If you've deleted the .maintenance file and you're still having issues, there are a couple of extra things you can check. We'll look at checking the wp-activate.php file and temporarily deactivating all plugins. This next step is a bit more advanced, so only do this if you're comfortable editing files. First of all, always make a backup by downloading a copy of the file to your computer or using the copy feature in your file manager to duplicate it. Now, in your WordPress root folder, look for a file called wp-activate.php. Open this file in your editor, either through your FTP client or directly in File Manager. You're looking for any custom or strange code that might be forcing maintenance mode to stay on. Sometimes a failed update or a custom modification can leave behind a line of code that keeps WordPress acting like it's still in maintenance mode. If you see anything that clearly references maintenance mode, and you know it was added by a plugin or during a failed update, remove that line, save the file, and then refresh your website. If that was the problem, the message should now be gone. Another common cause of problems around maintenance mode is a plugin conflict, or a plugin update that didn't complete properly. You can test this by temporarily deactivating all of your plugins at once without logging into the WordPress dashboard. To do this, connect to your site using FTP or File Manager again. In this case, I'm going to open FileZilla. Go to the root folder or public_HTML folder. Find the wp-content folder, click on it, and inside it, you'll see a folder called Plugins. Simply rename this folder to something like plugins_disable. By doing this, all plugins on your site will be instantly deactivated. Now try loading your site again. If the site loads after deactivation, rename the folder back to Plugins, then reactivate each plugin one by one until the error reappears to identify the culprit. Once identified, consider looking for alternative plugins, updating to the latest version, or contact the plugin developer for help. Now that we've fixed the error, let's talk about how to prevent it from happening again. Here are some simple best practices you can follow. 1. Keep the browser tab open during updates. When you're updating WordPress, themes, or plugins, don't close the browser tab until you see a clear success message saying the updates have completed. If the tab or the browser is closed too early, the update process can be interrupted and your site can get stuck in maintenance mode. 2. Avoid huge bulk updates. It's very tempting to go to the Updates page, select all your plugins and themes, and update everything at once. The problem is that it can put a lot of pressure on your server and increase the chances of timeouts or failed updates. Instead, update one plugin at a time, or update in small groups, and check your site in between. It takes a little longer, but it's much safer. 3. Check compatibility before updating. Before you install or update a plugin or theme, check its page in the WordPress repository or click More Details from your dashboard. Look for the section that shows which versions of WordPress it's been tested with. For example, you might see something like compatible up to 6.9.1. If your site is running a much older version, that could be a problem. Making sure your themes and plugins are compatible with your version of WordPress can help you avoid failed updates and maintenance issues. 4. Use a staging site for important sites. If your site is important for your business, it's a great idea to use a staging site. A staging site is just a copy of your live site where you can safely test updates, new plugins, and design changes. You can check the link in the description to read the step-by-step guide on how to create a staging site. You can run all of your updates on staging first. If everything works perfectly there, then you apply the same updates to your live site. That way, if something breaks, it doesn't affect your real visitors. 5. Consider upgrading your hosting. Sometimes this error is a sign that your hosting plan is too weak for what your site is trying to do. If your server is overloaded, or you're running low on memory and resources, updates can time out before they finish. When that happens, WordPress may leave the .maintenance file behind. If you're seeing issues like this often, or your site feels slow and unstable, contact your hosting provider. Good thing, GigaPress web hosting provides excellent customer support. If you're hosting with GigaPress, you're not just getting help, you're getting a reliable partner committed to keeping your WordPress site running smoothly. Thanks to our quick resolution, whether you use live chat, phone, or support tickets, we have some of the fastest resolution times in the industry. So, ready to experience hassle-free hosting? Visit gigapress.net/web-hosting. And that's it. That's how you fix the briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance error in WordPress, and how to prevent it from happening again in the future. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.